So guys, they want to another video. We are still out here in LA, guys. Every single vlog now, huh? We out here with all the PQ boys. We got Yusuf's G82 with the Fetty Wap eyes. There's only one working. What the heck? Oh my god, I did not see this. My boy needs a new lip bad. God damn. Because race car or what? You guys all know Yusuf's car, the infamous drag racing freaking car. We got my F80 out today. We got Andy's AMG C63 out. Adrian's G80. And then we got Jay's G82 over there. See, all the homies are out here. Look who else showed up, guys. My boy Anthro. Sheesh. Now he's the only GTR. With all the Beamers. God damn. This thing sounds so crazy. The turbos are hella loud. But yeah, we got all the homies here. G82, G82, F80, AMG, G80, and then GTR. You watch the vlogs or what?
Yo, bro, big fan, bro. I watch all your shit. That's crazy that we saw you.
I know, thank you guys.
You look so much better in person.
Thank you, bro.
Congrats on that, man.
Thank you.
The PQ car, and I was like, what the fuck? And that's how you lay up front. That's so fucking lit, bro.
That's sick. Nice seeing you, bro.
We're gonna go get sushi, and then we're like, oh shit. Yeah, bro.
That's tight. I seen him on the freeway, like waving me down, and then he showed me his phone, and he was subscribed to my channel. Like he was trying to show me my YouTube channel that he subscribed. That was funny. Imagine you guys just randomly run into all the PQ guys and me just cruising.
Hi.
Hi. Oh my god. Look at this shit. There's no way. Guys, well, we made it to the beach. It's not sunny anymore. It's all cloudy.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I've been doing a bad job filming, but we went to Malibu. Sam and Marlon, the owner of DME and the owner of 412, they were close by, so we met up with them. Now we got all the G80s out here. We got the 412, DME, G80, and all the PQ G80s. As you guys seen, they raced Jay's car versus that one. They pretty much got the same mods, just different tuner, different setups. G80 versus G82, and it's literally like a dead even race, bro. It's crazy. I tried to film the best I could. Again, it's hard to film and drive stick shift, bro. Anyways, we're gonna go to the gas station real quick, and I'll show you guys all the cars. God damn, bro. So many G80s. But yeah, look guys, we got Marlon's car.
Hey Nick, how are you?
How are you?
Hello.
That thing's so sick. And then we got Adrian's. Which you guys like the best? There's so many to choose from. Literally wouldn't even know which one to pick either, guys. We got Yusuf's, and we got Jay's, and we got everybody's. Oh, you want Sam's Tesla? We got bad news, guys. Last night was not a good night, guys. Everyone's having bad luck last night. If you guys seen, we cruised with all the G80s and all the PQ guys. PQ, DME, 412. The collab you never expect. All the shops coming together. But anyways, yesterday we were all cruising, going hella fast on the freeway. Jay was driving hella fast in front of me. It was dark outside, as you guys seen. He was driving super fast, and his lip flew off the car, guys. His lip literally flew off the car. He didn't even realize it. And I seen something on the freaking road because I was right behind him, and I hit his front lip, and it was so dark, and I was driving a little too fast to move out the way. Well, look what happened, guys. I'm pretty sure this wasn't there. That's messed up. And then also the worst, the whole bumper is like kind of cracked. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that. Look at this. all those cracks in the paint. I'm pretty sure if I just do it a little harder, the paint will literally come off. So I'm not gonna mess with it, but yeah guys, it's literally cracked. That's cracked. Not good. Right here you can see more where the lip hit. The lip probably hit all of this, to be honest, but it chipped the paint right there. Down here, some of the plastics got messed up. Not sure if you guys could tell. Yeah, this is like the worst part right here. No, bro. Anyways, guys, we just had the worst luck possible yesterday. That's not the only thing that got messed up yesterday. Everyone was having problems with their cars and it freaking sucks. A lot of unfortunate stuff happened. I don't know what it was. Something was bad about yesterday, guys. Even like on the way to the cruise, when it was daytime out, we all first met up. We all got split up on the freeway. That was like the first red flag. And then when I hopped on the freeway, I hit a really bad dip and I literally scraped the whole bottom of the car. This car is very low, guys. So any little dip, you can hear it rubbing. But this one was really bad and Jay saw it and he's like, bro, I literally seen sparks come out. 5 minutes later, I hit another dip and it does the same thing, bro. Like, everything was bad. I think Adrian's car had to pull over because I went like in limp mode real quick. Bro, it was bad. Like, I don't know what was going on yesterday, guys, but we had some bad luck. To finish it off, I got my freaking front bumper hit. Anyways, that's the bad news, guys. The good news is we are gonna get some window tint done. Shout out to these guys. They're window tinting my mom's car right now. So shout out to them. And they're also gonna window tint the F80 because this car has no tint and I hate it, guys. A lot of people actually wanted me to keep the car like with no tint because it does look clean. I'm not gonna lie, it really does look clean, as you can tell. I like it too, but at the same time, I hate people looking at me when I'm driving, guys, and everyone keeps staring at me. The windows are way too light, so I'm gonna tint them all dark. I think it'll look cool dark either way. But yeah, I'm so bummed about the front bumper, guys, but I already talked to PQ. I think we might just respray the whole front bumper anyways. It did already have like rock chips that I wanted to fix anyways, so might as well just respray the front bumper and it's gonna look brand new and very clean. No rock chips, no nothing. And the window tint is done, bro, and now it looks so much better, bro. I love it. I know a lot of people love the fishbowl look, but I like it like this. Look, you literally cannot see anything, bro. It's completely limo tint, all the windows, so you cannot see what's going on inside the car at all. But shout out to these guys. If you guys need any window tint, they're in the IE over here. They do a good ass job. I'll show you guys my mom's car later on, but they did my mom's car this morning and they just finished up the F80. They're hella busy. They did so many cars today, bro. It's insane. But I've been here just editing my videos and also filming that little cinematic for you guys. Again, if you guys need any window tint, hit them up. I'll leave the Instagram right here too. The work is hella nice. The car already had like a ceramic film on it. So the previous owner must have tinted it, but it was like a clear tint because it was so clear. You guys seen how clear it was? But he went ahead and took off all the previous tint, so it took a lot of time, a lot of work. So shout out to them again. Removed all the previous tint that I had on it. You could always just tint over existing tint, but he wanted it to come out perfect and up to his quality and put the new one on. I think it looks so good, guys. The old tint also had like a blue hue to it, like a blue tint to it. This is completely black, so it looks so much better. Damn, it looks sick. I love it, guys. I don't know. It matches the wheels perfectly too. Anyways, that's the second mod done to the F80 now. We got the full screen CarPlay and now we have the full window tint. The front is like I believe 45%, so you can still see me in the front barely. I could have went a little darker, but I don't want to get pulled over left and right. Even though I'm probably gonna get pulled over for this, but so much better. Look on the inside. And so it's ceramic tint, so you guys can see like it looks perfectly clear from the inside. But from the outside, you cannot see me at all. So I could be vlogging you and you don't even know. Probably could have went a little darker on the windshield. Maybe I'll do it in the future. But this is actually the first car I've ever had with windshield tint. So let's see how it is with this shade. It's like 45%, I believe. And let's see how long it takes to get pulled over with these windows. It's very dark in here, but it's a lot better, bro. I love it. Sheesh. Now I can finally vlog in here too without looking weird, guys, because sometimes I'll be vlogging on the freeway and I notice people just staring at me like I'm crazy. But anyways, like I said, if you guys need any window tinting, they are the ones to go to. They're here in Redlands, California. So if anyone's close by, anyone local, you can come pull up. I seen someone came in earlier for like a roof wrap. So they do it all here, but mainly their specialty is the window tint and they do a killer job. I wish I could roll it down and show you guys the work, but we can't roll it down for 24 hours, he said. Not gonna lie, guys, I be going through gas like crazy in this car, bro. Another $70 down the drain. I've just been driving like crazy, guys. You guys know that I put almost 1,000 miles on this? I've only had it for like 4 or 5 days. That's ridiculous. Anyways, guys, this really sucks. I'm super bummed about it. Now you can see it even worse. It's like super noticeable right when you look at the front bumper. It's actually huge. Like it goes all the way down to here, all the way across. It's pretty bad. So that sucks, guys. This is not clickbait. I actually did mess up my car really, really bad. Definitely gonna have to take off the whole bumper, send it to PQ so they can repair the bumper and hopefully do a whole paint job to match. So what are the chances, guys, of Jay's lip falling off and hitting my car, bro? How? Also, a little update, guys, on the Karen. If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it. If you guys don't know what video I'm talking about this. We got kicked out of Cars and Coffee. Some Karen employee was yelling at us.
Find somewhere else to go.
Sheriff's not gonna do anything.
Yes, just find somewhere else to go.
I know that.
You are not invited here. You need to go.
Guess what happened, guys? Obviously, I posted the video. The video did really, really good. You guys blew it up. I also posted on Instagram, and the organizers of the event actually got in contact with me. And as you guys can see, I'll just show this one message real quick. I tagged them in this. You guys remember what happened. If you guys don't, they were literally flipping me off, bro. But pretty much just showed that. Then he said, the volunteer of this video will no longer be at our event. We're sorry that it escalated to that point. Had I been there myself, this would have been differently and had accordingly. I mean, I just told them that they're very unprofessional and stuff like that, but we did get her fired, so that Karen's no longer working there. They're also worried about me posting it on social media, making them look bad, but I told them, I'm not here to make you guys look bad. I was just filming the altercation. She made them look bad, you know? Like, she was a representation of their company. She works there, she's a volunteer, whatever she is, and she made them look bad. I did not make them look bad, she did. I was just filming, bro. You guys saw the video. I didn't even say anything disrespectful. I just had the camera out, and I think that just triggered them. Maybe me filming their actions, that's why they were so mad. But anyways, the volunteer that flipped me off doesn't work there anymore. But I told them, I'm not the only person that's been treated like this, guys. I have countless and countless messages and DMs from so many of you guys that have been to this event and have gotten treated like that. I think there's just better ways to handle things, especially the way they're acting toward people. Like, you can't just yell at people and flip them off. And then she tried to throw in something saying that like this is her church or something like that. You're talking about church, but you're flipping people off. And I'm actually cool with one of the owners of the events. He just wasn't there when it happened. That's why he says if I was there, it probably would have went differently. Maybe this could be an eye-opener for him to hopefully like change up his whole staff and start treating people more nice, you know what I mean? Because they obviously have a bad reputation of treating people that way. I understand the revving part 100%. Like, I know that Meet does not want anyone to rev it because they're getting like permission to throw that event there by the mall and the outlets right there in San Clemente. So I get it. They want to keep the Meet going and they can't have people revving it like that. Again, I 100% understand that. I didn't rev it. My car is stuck. You can't even hear the car, bro. I was probably the most stock car at that event, bro. So definitely wasn't me that revved it, and I don't even know the person that revved it. So you can't just count out all the BMWs for one BMW guy's action. This is not how it works, bro. And then turning it into that huge altercation, calling the cops on me and all that stuff, that was pretty uncalled for. So anyways, the volunteer is not there anymore. I just want to show you guys that volunteer was fired. Good. I hope that she realizes that she can't just be yelling at anyone like that. I don't think she knew that I had a big YouTube channel behind me. And a bunch of supportive supporters. I don't know, maybe they can find something positive in this and just make it where their employees make everyone feel more welcome.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thanking God for letting me see